Hey, Brent here. Today's February 26th and trading the ES. Expecting a trade here. And, well, let me adjust my screen a little. Um, Expecting a trade in a little bit, trying to capture an extreme breakout. So what I do is bracket the market and just try and capture the momentum one way or the other. I'm going to put in my orders. And looks like I missed a buy order for some reason. So should be long from about 13.5, or I'm sorry, 11:03.5. So I'm gonna cancel all the orders. I missed the trade somehow. Thought I put my buy order in, but for some reason it did not work. But anyway, not really a whole lot happening. It's not really moving one way or the other. So I actually would have exited by now, probably right at my entry price, maybe minus one tick. So um, not good execution on my part. I kind of started the video a little late and didn't have everything set up, so I was kind of rushing. But nothing really happened on this trade anyway. Let me just draw something here. I was looking to get short down here or long in here, so it would have been long, and then would have exited. Probably lost a tick or two on that trade. So I missed the execution of it, but it didn't really move in the way I wanted. You wanted to would have been long. You wanted to move up, grab a couple points if you can, and get out of the trade. But it kind of moved up, came back down, hovered around there, and there was a signal to exit, so it would have been out. Would have been out, probably one or two tick loss. So again, not good execution on my part, and but that happens. So I will see you on the next video. Hey, it's Brent again, February 26th, and I'm trading the ES again, and expecting a trade here. See if I can execute a little bit better this time. What I like to do is bracket the market, place an order above and below, and try and capture some of the momentum. So what I'm going to do is place my buy order. And I'm going to wait here to place my sell order. And then we'll see which way the market goes here. Okay, so it went short here, and I have a target in of 8 ticks, which is 2 points, total of 2 points. And then here's my stop. So I'm going to cancel that. That's my other order. So it looks like we might be getting stopped out here. But wait and see. Not really moving. Either way, it's I was looking for a strong move one way or the other, and it's not really doing that. So I might be exiting here. And I'll just hit the flatten button if I'm going to exit. Okay, I had got a signal to exit, so I did. I just flattened, and which just takes you out at the market and cancels any orders you have. So this trade, not really a good trade. I was looking to go long up here, short down here, got short. Oops, and didn't really move direction I was hoping for, or the amount I was hoping for actually. And so got an indication to exit, which I did, and it was a loss, which was 3 ticks, which is 0.75. So if you're trading 10 contracts, that would be minus 375. And let's see, that's on 10 contracts. If you're trading, say, 2 contracts, that would be 87.50 per contract. I'm not writing very good today. So that would be actually per contract. So if it was 2 contracts, it'd be like 175 bucks. So kind of on 1 contract, it'd be minus 87. On 2 contracts, it'd be 175. So not a good trade. Didn't really go the way I wanted to initially, and got out. But actually, as I can see now, the market is going down, and would have hit a target, but you don't know that beforehand. So there are rules I try to follow. You can't see it now because when I start writing on the chart, for some reason it freezes the chart. The chart doesn't update. But let me remove all this, and you can see the price has really dropped down pretty nicely. But you don't know that's going to happen, and you do have rules. It's a very structured approach to trading these. And if you don't have rules like that in place, then what happens is you let emotions take control, and you kind of do things at the seat of your pants, and there's no structure to it. So when you're doing good, it's great, but when you have losing trades, you let them get out of control. You don't really know or have a plan in place, and that's really going to hurt you if you don't. A lot of people don't have a real plan in place to trade. They say that, oh well, I know how to trade. You're just trading, breakout up or down, and of course that's true. That's what I'm showing you on all these videos. But you have to have guidelines, very precise and detailed guidelines on where you're looking for your entries and what you're going to do once you get in terms of your stop and when to get out if the trade isn't going how you want it to go. So without all that information, you're just kind of trading based on hunches or experience or emotions, and in the long run that's not going to be viable, because that's not a structured approach. So you are going to have losing trades. There's just no way around it. So you have to have a structured approach to apply so that you don't allow losing trades to totally kill you. As you can see, this is that's a small losing trade, and yeah, the trade went on to be a winner, but that's real trading is you have to make decisions, and you don't know what's going to happen. So again, this should give you a good idea how extreme breakouts work, and how to handle them even when you have losses, which you definitely will have. So hopefully you can see that and kind of get an idea how to handle them. All right, we'll see you on the next video.